In this tutorial, I'll show you how to integrate Google Calendar with Jotform Workflows. Open your browser and go to jotform.com. Then sign in to your account. From your dashboard, find the form you want to connect with Google Calendar and click Edit Form. In the Form Builder, open the Settings tab and select Integrations. Use the search bar to search for Google Calendar and select it from the results. Choose the action you want, such as Create Event or Create Event with Google Meet, then click Next. Click Authenticate and sign in to your Google account. Grant the required permissions to allow Jotform to access your Google Calendar. After authentication, select the Google Calendar where you want new events to be created. Next, map your form fields to the calendar event details. Set the event title, start and end date, attendees, description, and location using the corresponding fields from your form. If you want calendar events to update automatically when a submission is edited, enable the Update Event when a submission is edited option. Click Save to finish the integration. To make sure everything is working correctly, submit a test entry through your form and check your Google Calendar to confirm the event has been created with the correct details. That's how to integrate Google Calendar with Jotform Workflows. Thanks for watching.